Hey Trevor. So today is January 8th, and we are 2 weeks and 2 days old. It's Monday. And I haven't been videotaping you very much, so I wanted to get it out. And we're just sitting on Mommy's lap, wide awake. I had a bottle about a half hour ago. But I'm just... Hey, Trevor. What you doing, sweetie? I'm trying to get you to look at it. Yeah, that's my baby boy. So this is all we do. We are either sleeping or eating or just hanging out. So we're a nice calm baby, aren't we? Aren't we? We're a nice calm baby. Yeah. And we're watching the bowl championship. What's wrong with this picture? Me and Trevor are watching football. And what's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? Daddy is over there sleeping. When Mommy should be sleeping. But that's okay. Daddy's tired too. Here's our house. Ah. And there's your little pack and play where you sleep. And I changed your diapers, and there's your car seat. And your bouncer. And let's get the sweets, because they're so tiny. Look at them feet. Look at them toes, they're so cute. They're about as long as Mommy's finger. Yep, as long as Mommy's finger. And your hands are so cute too. Look at their hands. Oh, and I'm gonna yawn. I'm gonna yawn. There's Chopper. Chopper. Chopper's just gonna lay down on the floor. That's all he does. He just lays. What are you doing? What are you doing? See, we got a few little pimples on our face. They're getting so much better though. And I got a double chin. Yes, I do. Just like Daddy and Mommy, right? Mommy's got one because of you. And she needs to get rid of it. Yep. What you doing? Look at them plates. Look at them plates. Some big old monkey toes. And my chubby legs. Stretch them out. Yep. This is what we do. We just hang out. Yeah. We just had a bottle. Oh, I took them in there already. We just had a bottle, didn't we? So we're pretty good right now. And look at all this hair we have. We got so much hair. Look at all that hair. We don't know if it's gonna stay. We don't know. Well, I hope it does. It's awful cute. Yeah, it's awful cute. Oh, yawn. Are you getting sleepy? Are you getting sleepy, Trevor? You just look bored, sweetie. Oh, bless you. Bless you. So cute. I'm just gonna video you all the time. Are you getting sleepy? You look like it. Oh, hit yourself in the face.